Dazzling Mentee.
Hello kids, how are you? Now in front of you the topic is sounds. Nowadays when we are using alphabets, first of all we must know their sounds, and it is always confused by the parents and the students then how the sound is coming out. So today we will learn that, okay? There are two types of sounds. One is long vowel sound and second is short vowel sound. Long, short. So in front of you, two examples. When you open your mouth, that is called long vowel sound. When you open a bit, that is called short vowel sound. Once again I am telling you, when you broad your mouth, open your mouth and say that is called long vowel sound. When we open a bit like this, elephant, I, like this, that is called short vowel sound. Okay, now few examples in front of you. Wow, what a beautiful mouth, open mouth in front of you. Now it's a short vowel sound, and short vowel sounds alphabets are K. You open your mouth little and you will say K, G. Once again, K, G. You can see very lightly I am taking out the air from the mouth. H, J, A. It's not U, it's the beginning. There are two types of sounds of each alphabet, but when in the beginning we will teach them these sounds only. Afterwards, when they will go to class 1, class 2, they will learn the difference of two sounds. But now when they are very small, this is the first step to teach them these sounds. Okay, let's start once again. K, A, G, H, J and A. Now, why I have written here I? This alphabet I is written here to little bit clear this alphabet in front of you. Its voice is E. Its voice is E. And please, please parents, it's my humble request to all of you, don't teach them E ice cream, E iron. They are getting confused because there are two types of sounds of E, I also. So now it's a beginning, so we teach them E. Okay? So what we will say? E, igloo, ice house, igloo, ice house, E. Okay? Now next is long vowel sound. Okay? Now in front of you, long vowel sound. Now there are very few alphabets in the beginning by which you can see my mouth is open like anything. Full mouth with my teeth. Wow, right? So this is my tongue. So long vowel sounds are A, Ka. We will not say K, we will say Ka. Va. We will not say W, we will say Va. Once again, long vowel sounds are A, Ka, Va. I hope both are clear to everyone. Now In front of you, my mouth is open. These are my lips. You can dictate the children like this. This is my tongue, and I roll my tongue sometimes towards the upper lips, sometimes towards the down lips. Okay, how we will do? Let's start. When our tongue is rolling down, those alphabets are D, L, N, R, S. Now here our tongue is rolling down. Our tongue is rolling down and touch the upper portion of our mouth. Upper portion of our mouth, and then we are its nib. Everyone is having tongue nib. Tongue nib. So that nib go upper portion of the mouth and it will touch like this, and the sound will come out D, L, N, R, S, S. Okay, now few alphabets are written on the top. Now see how our tongue is rolling down. T, T. We leave this. Next is Y. It's not Y, but we will say Y. Y. Z. Not Z. Z is an American English. We are following British English. Okay? So what we will say? Z. Zebra. Z. Now come to this alphabet, and this alphabet is Ks. 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 Okay? Once again I revise. T. Ks. You can see our tongue is rolling down. Ks. Y. Y. Z. Z. Now, two very important alphabets are in front of you. These are. Now you join your lips like this, and you just blow the air from the mouth, just like you are blowing air in your balloon to play. When your child wants to play, or when sometimes our little angels are doing this, sometimes our parents are doing this, they are putting balloon on the mouth and they are blowing air. Just like the sound, which sound is coming out? Means F. Means F. Flower. 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 And next sound, when we open our mouth without rolling our tongue, which sound is coming out? Ah. 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 And next sound is Kwa. Here little bits lips are coming down. Kwa. Kwa. We just open our mouth, but when we join it in between like this, the sound is coming out Kwa. Once again, flower. Ah. Kwa. Kwa. I hope it is clear to everyone. So you all do practice of these alphabets very nicely. Now few alphabets are left, and they are how we will speak them. We just join the lips, joining the lips, and then the voice is coming out. The sounds are B. B. We just join the lips. B. M. M. P. P. V. Sound of W is wa, but sound of V is V. V. Once again, B, M, P and V. I hope you have learned all the sounds very nicely. Now, if you haven't learned, you repeat the video again and again and learn it, okay? And do practice.